Assalamu alaikum my friends, this is Toshiba C850 B560. I'm going to show you how to remove the keyboard of this Toshiba laptop. Okay, let's start right away. I'll start by removing the battery, then the memory module, that is RAM, and then hard disk. Then I'll proceed to show you how to remove the keyboard. Let's start. Bismillah. There you go. I've disconnected the battery, then RAM, then the hard disk. Let's proceed to keyboard. So that's my keyboard. I've removed some of the keys here so that I can get the so that I can get access to the locks. You see, with this the keyboard, you can just come direct to the keyboard here and you'll find there are some locks. You see here, if you can see, that's the first lock holding this keyboard, and there's 7 of them. That's the second, there's the third, fourth, and the 5th, 6th, and 7th. Those are the locks. So I'm going to remove the locks and we replace the keyboard. Enjoy the video. I'll use my flat screwdriver to unlock the lock, and you have to start the first one, going to the second one, third one, fourth, until the end. So that's the first lock. I've already unlocked it, and that's the second. I hope you can see. That's the third, and that's the fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. You can see the lock. So now it is free to move. You can see this cable there attached to the keyboard. To remove this one, you can either do it from the bottom, or you can just pull it down that way. So there we go. We've removed the keyboard. Let me get the new one. That's the new keyboard. So let's replace it. Okay, I've put the cable. You lock it. Then you make sure first you put the locks, the upper locks, like that. Connect back the locks. There you go. We've done replacing the keyboard. put back the ROM. Okay. Disk. There you go. You put it on. That's your screen. Congratulations. Numlock is on. Congratulations. Thank you.